Hope you're all well. This is a weekly review of the third week of January. Last week we had 3 trades. One trade hit take profit, one missed take profit by 2 pips, and one trade that was a miss. The first trade was GJ 38 fib plus key level. Now this trade was only valid with timing or alignment, and since it was a yen driven move, we did get alignment on EJ with this key level. UJ was out of sync because it was driven by the dollar, but because GJ is an algo driven pair, it's very technical. It's not one that I could pass up on. It did deliver the initial pullback, but it did miss our take profit by 2 pips. And then I did mention to move stop loss to break even, because it would be stupid to take a loss on a trade where the initial pullback you were looking for had happened, and it did end up hitting our stop loss at break even. The zone after that also did deliver the move, but because it was yen interest rates, CPI, PPI, all within a few hours, I did disregard this zone. Regardless, even if it did deliver the move, it's not one that I was interested in. We also had gold 2756, which had delivered the move. So we had 2750 marked out, but because the zone before had delivered the move and a considerable pullback, I wanted a breach of this zone because there was no timing or alignment. I couldn't pinpoint what was driving gold towards the upside. A strong daily close, so I wasn't too interested on this zone. More so I wanted a breach to increase the appeal of the zone after. Now this did deliver the move, and in my previous weekly reviews I did mention that gold tends to do the move, push deeper, and then give a bigger reversal. But since I didn't really fully understand the driver behind the upside, I didn't want to take an avoidable loss. That's why I didn't take the top of this zone. Even though it delivered 250 pips, it's not a zone that was valid in my plan, so I'm not accounting it for my stats. Now after that, the 2775 4-hour break retest and psychological level was only valid with timing or alignment, which we didn't have, and in that case I wanted a breach to increase the appeal of all-time highs, which missed by around 4 pips, and it delivered over 160 pips. Now again, it was a week where I could have capitalized on quite a few moves, not only gold all-time highs, gold 2760, but also GJ, the top of this zone. But again, I prioritize accuracy based trading. I always prefer peace of mind. I do have a busy schedule throughout the week. I do door-to-door sales Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, so I didn't want to take an unnecessary loss. So far throughout this year, I've had around 8-9 trades, out of which I've only capitalized on 3. And the reason for that is it fits my lifestyle. Trading is more than just technicals. It's how you adapt to the markets, how you trade based on your lifestyle, your risk appetite, and your style. So for me, that is just taking the best possible trades. Yes, I will miss out on some opportunities, but the trades that I do take have a high chances of delivering. And also, this is the same way how I'll be trading when I have much more capital, and I know I'll be able to sustain that because I trade with peace of mind as priority, with capital preservation, and just picking the best possible trades. Because even the trades that I do take, if they don't work, the odds of the backup delivering are stupidly high, and my backup is your backup's backup, so the chances of that failing is quite low. And so far this whole month we've had a 100% win rate. Now obviously that is unrealistic to sustain for the whole year. You're bound to get some losses, and even though I felt as if GJ was going to be one that delivers a loss, if it didn't deliver the move, the odds of this break retest delivering were stupidly high. An example of that would be gold. So 27-25 area, it delivered the move the week before. If on the way up, if 27-25 didn't deliver, then 27-50 would have given a solid potential for delivering the move. But because 27-25 did deliver the move, on the way up I wanted a breach of 27-50 to increase the appeal of the zone after. The technicals remain the same, but how I play it is dependent on price action, fundamentals, and how the market behaves throughout the week.